What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about B3 today, base token. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and let's get into it. If this video is short, I'm sorry. I thought I made a video. Apparently, I stopped recording, and then whenever I thought I stopped recording, when I thought I made the video, I started recording. So there's like an 8-second video that I posted for a second, and then I deleted it, if anybody's wondering. But B3, being at the all-time lows right now, can be a bit intimidating. A lot of volumes coming in here. But you guys, moments like this is where you snap back. You can see some fantastic results in a very, very short amount of time. I'm very tempted to buy some B3 at these levels because here, you know, $71.9 million market cap. That's very low. I'm actually listening right now, Caldera and Catherine and Jay, whatever, these Caldera Community Call B3. They're talking about B3 right now. And there's some exciting stuff. They're dropping some alpha and stuff like that. I'm in the beginning of the call. They haven't released too much information, but there's some interesting things. There's some people that they're partnered with, some games that are building on B3 that I was unaware of that I actually have been paying attention to. There's a game called Parallel. I don't know if anybody's aware of that, but it's an interesting blockchain-based game, and they're building on B3. So that's kind of encouraging because I actually think Parallel is pretty cool. Not gonna lie, I've actually been tempted to get involved with Parallel myself. It's not a crypto, you can't buy the coin or nothing like that, but they're building on B3, which is pretty cool. It could actually be a game that's cool, that has longevity, that's built on this ecosystem, that brings value to this, right? There's right now they're talking about what sets them apart, why they should build on B3, and I'm missing some good stuff, but I wanted to make this video because I thought I made the video already, man. I thought I was going to be able to listen to this call, but whatever. We're at all-time lows. We're at all-time lows. Volume's picking up, and I know that's intimidating. I heard down the grapevine, and this isn't confirmed, but it's just a rumor. Maybe it's true, maybe it's not, but I heard that there's some Korean short traders, short sellers trading this thing right now, pushing the price down. And if that's the case, this shouldn't be forever. And in fact, maybe they're pushing the price down to buy it up at the lows. I don't know. If there's short trading, oftentimes people that go short, they flip long. There should be some manipulation to the downside and to the upside. So I'm expecting we're going to get a nice pop here pretty soon. I wouldn't be surprised in the least. You know, we got 3 days left in this week. 2 days, 8 hours, I should say. Sorry. 2 days, 7 hours, 40 minutes. I wouldn't be surprised in the least if by the end of this week or sometime next week we were all the way back up here at these highs and maybe even breaking through. Obviously, by the end of June, I think there will be at new all-time highs. End of June, sometime in July, we'll top off. The expectation is to go somewhere between about 3.2 cents to 6.1 cents. It's very possible with this low of a market cap, if the gaming narrative goes on, if the gaming narrative kicks off and we see some hype in the gaming ecosystem, if the right things click for B3, we really, really could see this thing go all the way up to 10 cents. Oops, sorry. 10 to 12 cents here at the 1886200. There's a lot of cryptos that have targets up there. Bouncing from their all-time lows, man, that would give you from the current price, that'd give you an overall 30x to a 37x move. And I'm not saying that's what's going to happen. I'm just saying cherry on top, maximum expectations, maybe. Right? Minimum expectation, 9.5x. It's no 30x, but hey, man, 9.5 ain't bad. And then to the golden ratio here at 6 cents, that's an 18x. So I definitely think that you have a lot of growth to go. I'm expecting a quick snap back. I think B3 will pump like 80% or more probably within the next week. I think that this, it's real price action, but it's like false to a certain degree. And false price action gets eaten up fast. This thing can move fast when it wants to. And I think that it will. 4-hour time frame here, looking at the 4-hour RSI, rather bearish. Not financial advice, not a financial advisor. If we go lower, don't panic. It's fine. It's a better buying opportunity. Even if we set new all-time lows, don't panic. It's fine. We're at a better buying opportunity. You look at the 1-hour time frame, you can see the volumes dying off as we're progressing lower. That's very good. I would think, and even looking at this here, it looks like we have an inverse head and shoulders pattern. This is what I was talking about in my last video. 15-minute time frame, it looks like an inverse head and shoulders pattern here, right? You got your left shoulder, you got the head, you got the right shoulder. You're going to break out and go to the upside. Now, I really do think that you're going to go to the upside here. It's a 15-minute inverse head and shoulders, so it's not that big. But I think that because of where it is and where it's located, I think that you will recover. Your 1-hour RSI would then break above the 50 instead of being held down below it. This really could help validate this as a low. So I think we're going to be moving up throughout the rest of the day here. You're down 3% on the day so far. I think that you will be moving up today, probably even closing the day green, and ideally looking for some kind of massive reversal here. You're at the same exact area that you bounced from last time in your RSI, same area in the price as well, and you moved all the way up to about 0055 in no time. So from here to there, I mean that's 60% itself. That could happen in a day, guys. Like that could literally happen by this time tomorrow. If not, maybe it takes more time, but tomato, whatever. I think you're going to move up. I think you're going to see new all-time highs. And that's the main reason why I wanted to make this video. I'm not scared for B3. I'm very confident it's going to do well. Oh, damn it. I just missed that. Check this out if you want to. Join the space or even watch it back if it's already ended, you know. Hit the like button, you guys. Subscribe. Thank you all for being here. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. I've posted this space on my profile too. If you check out x.com, you look at my profile at Chris Harris 85. That's me. Here, I can even go. You know, I'm C-Zar the Great, but let's see. Profile here. At Chris Harris 85. Yeah, right there. That's me. Okay. Anyways, take care, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.